Ever wondered how car insurance works for vehicles used in public art installations? In the world of art, the canvas is not always a traditional one. Artists often push creative boundaries, and for some, a car becomes more than just a mode of transportation. It transforms into a piece of art, a public installation drawing the attention of passers-by, sparking conversations, and inviting interpretations. Just like any other art form, these car installations need protection, which brings us to the importance of car insurance in this unique context. Imagine the financial risk an artist takes when their car, their canvas, is left uninsured. A single mishap, an accidental scratch, or worse, theft or vandalism, can lead to substantial loss. Car insurance becomes not just a safety net, but an essential part of the artistic process, protecting the artist's work and investment. So it's not just about the art, it's about the artist's security too. Imagine being an artist, pouring your heart into creating a masterpiece only for it to be damaged with no way to recover the cost. Let's delve into the tale of an artist named Leo. Leo was a passionate creator known for his innovative art installations that often incorporated automobiles in a unique and fascinating manner. One day, he decided to use a classic car, a stunning 1960s convertible, as the centerpiece of his next masterpiece. He invested his savings, time, and soul into transforming this car into a beacon of artistic expression. However, the unexpected occurred. During the public unveiling of his work, a sudden storm swept through, battering Leo's masterpiece with hail and gusty winds. The once resplendent convertible was now marred with dents and scratches, its beauty diminished. Leo was heartbroken. The damage was extensive and the cost to restore the car was well beyond his means. Without a proper car insurance policy, Leo found himself facing a mountain of expenses. The financial stress was overwhelming. His masterpiece had been ruined, and he had no means to recover the cost. He was left to bear the burden of repair costs alone, and the toll it took on him was immense. The emotional strain was just as significant. Imagine seeing your passion project, your labor of love, damaged beyond recognition. The countless hours spent working on the project, the meticulous attention to detail, the sleepless nights, all seemed in vain. It was a blow to Leo's spirit, one that took a considerable amount of time to recover from. This unfortunate event served as a stark reminder of the importance of car insurance, especially for artists like Leo who incorporate vehicles into their artwork. The right insurance policy could have protected Leo from the financial burden of the damage, giving him peace of mind and the freedom to continue creating without fear of financial ruin. A masterpiece ruined and a pocket emptied, all because of a lack of proper car insurance. So, what can artists learn from this unfortunate tale? Let's distill the key points. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that car insurance is not an option, but a necessity for artists who incorporate vehicles into their public art installations. This insurance serves as a safety net, shielding you from potential financial loss in the event of unforeseen damage or accidents involving the cars in your art pieces. Whether it's a minor scratch or a significant collision, the right insurance policy can cover the costs, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating art. Moreover, it's not just about protecting your own pocket, it's about ensuring the longevity of your art installations, safeguarding your creative legacy for future generations to appreciate. In the world of art, where creativity and innovation reign supreme, it's easy to overlook practical considerations. But remember, creativity needs protection too. Secure your art, secure your future.